This video is going to be a bit different. The screen will be split. The bottom screen will display the front of the vehicle. The top screen will display the view from behind. I move the arms out and place rubber pads underneath. The arms are positioned to contact the lower control arms on this vehicle, which arguably will work on most vehicles. I'm making sure that the pad is going to have an even contact patch on both control arms. With my right hand, this is our lever that we're going to use to raise and lower the vehicle, and my left is displaying the lock. To raise the vehicle, press and hold the lever down, and monitor to make sure that the vehicle is lifting evenly and that nothing is shifting around. As the vehicle raises, the lock on the lower left will engage, and there is 2 steps to the lock. Once the vehicle is at the specified height that I need to work at, ensure that the locks are engaged by pulling up on the lever to lower and have the locks engaged. You can see that I'm unable to lift them out of the way. Now, in order to raise the vehicle, I apply air by pulling down on the lever. This will raise the jack and allow me to remove the locks with my left hand. I pull up on the lever, which then lowers the vehicle, ensuring that the arms do not contact the hoist. I can slide my arms in, remove my rubber pads, and then when done, always ensure that the rolling jack is at its lowest possible setting to ensure no damage to the customer car.